What up fam, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is showing you guys how I created this fall festive look. Let's get started. I'm switching up materials this time. I usually use the Blitz eyeliner pencil, but today this is the Itaolia eyeliner pencil. It has more of a red tint. This color is called Black Currant. Once I have the basic shape for my eyebrows, I go in with the liquid black eyeliner pen by e.l.f. to go ahead and finish those arches. For those of you who still have some difficulties with your eyebrows, in the next couple of weeks I'll be dropping another video to go more in depth to get better results for your brows. We need to let our brows dry, so as we do that, we're going in with the concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This color is Fawn. And we're going to clean up our arches and then also provide a base color for our eyelids before we start to add in our color. As you guys can see here, I am using the concealer to clean up those arches. That way they look nice and fresh. I use a powder foundation. This is the Warm Caramel color by LA Girl. I used powder foundation to 1, tone down that shininess from the concealer, and 2, erase those harsh lines that would have been left there. Now normally I use the Hot Cocoa eyeliner pencil to blend between the colors for my brows, but this time I'm just using a basic black eyeliner pencil to, transition between colors. Since we're going for a fall festive look for this video, we're using the Huda palette. This is their Warm Obsessions. I got this as a gift a couple months ago and I absolutely love this palette. So we're going to go for the burgundy in this palette and we're going to start our eyeshadow build. The burgundy will be focused to the outside corners of our eyes and we're going in a windshield wiping motion. That way everything blends really nicely. The next color that we're using from this palette is their Brick Red, and we're using this color to strengthen that fall festive, that warm color that we have. The Brick Red is going to go over top where we put the burgundy. That way everything is bold. Next we're going to go for that dark plum color in the palette. This time we're using this color for the bottom of our lids. That way everything looks very dramatic. Try to focus this color to the bottom of the lid and the outside corner. We're quickly going to switch to our Take Me Back to Brazil palette because we need that black. The plum was nice, but it didn't give me the strength that I wanted. So in order to get that drama, I needed to add a stronger dark color. Lastly, we're switching back to our Huda palette and we're going for the skin tone color. My skin tone color is caramel. I'm using this color to create a gradient between my light and my dark. I'm also using this as a base for my finishing color, which is, oh, you gotta wait for that. Surprise! Our finishing color is the shimmer gold. Yes, this color is so bomb. Let me tell you guys, the light is not doing it justice. Like, it's so pretty. The gold basically tops off everything. It adds that class, and you know, the light really isn't doing it justice, and I apologize for that. I am working on getting some better lighting, so please bear with me. Now that we've added the gold, this completes our eyeshadow build, and now we can move on to the next step. For my videos, I try to switch up the materials that I'm using. So this time for my wings, I'm using the Nano Black Eyeliner Pen. This is by Absolute New York. To finish my wing, I'm using the e.l.f. Liquid Black Eyeliner. This wing is like perfect. To prep for my eyes, I go in with my favorite mascara. This is Intenseif-Eye by, you know what, I actually don't even remember right now, but I'll be sure to put that in the description for you guys. Okay, so I know these say these are the Christina 747 mediums, but these are actually the long ones, and I just happened to misplace the box. So I'm actually trying something new today, this little whole highlight thing. And I want you guys to remember, I am not a makeup artist. I am self-taught, and I am just a regular schmegular girl trying to figure this thing out like everyone else. This is the liquid foundation. This is by Jordana, and I'm applying this foundation to the cheeks because this is where I want my highlight to be. Now after I go in with the foundation, I go in with the setting powder. I don't know who this is by. It just says banana setting powder, but I don't know the brand. And from my understanding, the purpose of a setting powder is to keep it in place, give it that matte look, keeps it so the makeup doesn't get absorbed into the skin, and yeah, it also helps the whole contour thing helps the face look skinnier. And as you guys can see, the setting powder and the foundation is not really my color, so I have to go in with my own foundation to tone that color down. Now I'm going in with the concealer to cover up any blemishes I have on my face, and then go over top of that with my foundation as well. This is the under lash line, and I'm going in with a basic black eyeliner pencil, and you can get this literally from any beauty supply, any drugstore, or things like that. This is the Dream Palette. This is by Scarlet. As you guys know, I used to be a monthly subscriber, but it just got to the point where it was too expensive and they didn't have a lot of colors that looked good on my skin tone, so I had to stop using them. Anyways, for this palette, we're using the Enchanted eyeshadow, and we're using that as a highlighter because we need something more on the orangish side. That way it blended well with our complexion. For my lips, I ended up having to use two different colors. They're both by NYX. They are the Soft Lip Matte Creams. The first color is Copenhagen. Strange name, I know. I don't know why that just can't be simple. The second color is Vancouver, and I ended up having to mix them because when I bought them, they didn't have the correct tint that I wanted. So your girl had to improvise. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. If you like this, would you wear this? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell. That way you get all of my notifications. And I will see you guys in the next one.